When repeating the assembly, the O-ring and all the components must be checked for possible damage and contamination. In order to reduce the assembly stresses, we recommend that the thread as well as the taper areas and the O-ring be checked. Insert the pre-assembled tube end straight into the taper of the coupling stud. When doing this, make certain that the O-ring is not damaged. Now tighten the union nut so that it is hand tight. Marking the union nut and the tube helps in obtaining the correct tightening. For final tightening, the connection is finally assembled using a spanner with about 3/4 to 1 turn. With assembly, you must use a counter spanner.